Let's meet Laura. Her story is a little different because Laura is a high school junior who is earning college credits as a dually enrolled college freshman. And at ABAC, she has found a perfect place to pursue her passion for music. That's one of several departments in the School of Arts and Sciences. Take it away, Laura.
Thank you, Alex. Hey y'all, welcome to Edwards Hall. Music is my whole life, and I'm happy to report that this little agricultural college has given me so many opportunities to pursue my passion for music. One of my absolute favorite things about ABAC's music program is how welcoming they are. If you have any interest in music, they'll find you a place to help you expand your musical abilities no matter your major. This past semester, the ABAC Jazz Ensemble gave me the chance to be their vocalist, which was the highlight of my semester and an incredible learning experience. When I'm not in Edwards Hall, you can find me with the school's media production team here in Studio 3. Studio 3 provides all students with access to a fully equipped audio recording booth and TV studio. Working with the studio, I've produced my own show and hosted a campus-wide open mic night. Studio 3 has taught me how to turn my ideas into reality. The School of Arts and Sciences offers everything from music to criminal justice to biology. I can confidently say that no matter your major, no matter your dreams, and no matter where you want to end up in the future, ABAC will welcome you with open arms and guide you towards achieving those goals. I couldn't be prouder to be an ABAC stallion. Lights, camera, and back to you, Alex.
And that's a cut on Laura's segment. Nice job, everybody.
Wow, Laura, you are one talented young woman and so smart to get a jump start on your college career through dual enrollment. It's great to see that ABAC has so many options so students can find their passion just like you. Thanks a lot.